Helix.
So excited to talk with you today about how we can launch new programs faster using open source curriculum.
It is no secret that data science is a field of tremendous growth and great job opportunities. And although academic institutions have been responding to that demand, what we see in the market is that there is still a shortage of skills. So a couple of years ago, we started thinking about the possibility of having IBM contribute to the world by finding a way to accelerate the creation of data science programs. And what we decided to do was to build a curriculum kit that colleges and universities around the world could use to get their programs started without having to build them from scratch. And we also decided we wanted to bring it to the market as an open source project. And what that means is that we could have other universities, faculty members around the world contribute to the project by donating additional modules. And this will make it very easy for any academic institution that's in the process of building a data science programs to take these materials and leverage as they build their programs.